to this, it's okay, but please listen to the first bit. This is just submitting the assignment. So once you complete your assignment, you've read through the instructions, you've done the assignment, then you need to click Submit Assignment in the top right. So when you click Submit Assignment, down the bottom of the page you suddenly have this submission box, and you can submit your assignment in any way, which means you can do your assignment on any platform. It could be a website URL you could submit, or a file upload. You've also got text entry. Now with text entry you can just write your assignment out at the bottom of the page. That's not the best idea, because if the browser crashes or the website reloads, you'll lose all your text. So if you're going to use the text entry submission, then do it on Word or Google Docs and then copy and paste it. There's loads of ways you can submit. You can submit a Google document if you authorize access to your Google Drive. You can upload media if you've got a video recording or something like that. So yeah, there's loads of ways to upload. You'll probably upload a Word file or a Google Doc, I guess. You'll choose the file and then click Submit Assignment, and that's it. It's that easy. So I'm going to cancel that for now. If you want to just skip to the assignment because you're fine reading the instructions, then that's fine. Skip to the assignment. If you're like me and you don't like reading loads of text, then I'll talk you through the assignment now and what we've put in it to help you out. So the first thing we've got is your 2 criteria that you need to cover. Now you've got a past assessment here of those 2 criteria. If you click on this, it will load up a new tab, and this is an assessment that has passed first time. Now obviously you can't copy it because that would be plagiarism, but as long as you use the same format then you'll be okay. Now what you'll notice about this first question is it asks people to explain the teaching role and responsibilities in education and training. Now a lot of people get this as rework because they describe it. So it's really important. So that's why this blue box here that says describe and explain is just making it clear. The easiest way to put it is if you look in the room you're in now, it's got 4 walls, a ceiling, a door, a window. That's describing the room. If I was to then explain the function of the room, how the window lets light in and can be opened to let in air and is used to create a working environment, then I'm explaining it. I'm explaining the function of the room. So you need to do that in your assignment. So make sure you explain the roles and responsibilities, not just describe what they are. The next thing you'll have to make sure you do is Harvard referencing. So in the Harvard, on the button that says Harvard referencing there, it takes you to a website that tells you how to Harvard reference. Now some people may be worried about what layout to do their assignment in. So if you don't want to design it yourself, then here's an assignment template. So if you press this red button, it will download a Word document to your computer, which you can upload in Google if you like. But this Word document has a reference table in, so you only have to fill in a table, and it's got hints and tips as to what you write about. So click on the assignment template and it will download to your computer like it just has here. So hopefully you find that pretty easy. Assignment task 2 is just asking you to summarise. So you only have to briefly talk about all the different regulatory requirements that are applicable to education and training and legislation. So you should be okay with that. Once again, look at the past assessment. So the last thing I've got here is if you want to do something different. This could either be a stretch and challenge for you. Personally for me this is easier. Doing a screen recording. So you can record yourself speaking whilst the screen is open. So you could do a couple of slides with some images about your assignment and maybe some bullet points. And then you could talk about those images and bullet points, which may be easier than writing 400 words, because if you talk for 2 minutes, that's your 400 word equivalent. So it's really up to you how you do the assignment. If you click here you'll have instructions for doing the screen recording. If you have any problems, then just click feedback on the home page and someone will be able to